Nevada Virtual Academy, juniors, seniors, are you there? Can you hear me? 10 push-ups before we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Stand up, sit down. 45. If square root of 2x plus 3 minus x equals 0, then x equals what? A, B, C, D, E options. Obviously on the proficiency exam, at least for this year, you have only 4 options, right? Next year we may have only 2 options. You wish. Anyway, how to solve this problem? Okay, as many of you may guess, this will involve some quadratics, right? But how we get there? Well, first of all, I'm rewriting my equation to x plus 3 minus x equals 0. One easy way to solve this type of problems is to separate your radical from the other variables, the other terms, right? Which means I'm gonna add x to both sides. This way I will have only the radical expression on the left, 2x plus 3 equals, right, because minus x plus x are canceling out, 0 plus x, x. As many of you guess in here, because I have a radical expression and I don't like it, I'm gonna square everything, because when I'm squaring the radical expression, the radical will disappear. Square root of 2x plus 3, everything squared, will be just 2x plus 3 equals x squared. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. I'm going to move everything on the right, taking away 2x from both sides, taking away 3 from both sides, right? On the left I have nada. Now my equation will be 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 3, but I will write it backwards, right? I will write x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Obviously this is a quadratic equation which we can try to solve in many ways. If you guys remember, one way would be to try to see if this is factorable, right? You're looking at the last term, well, first term first, right? This is not a prime polynomial. Okay, if this is not prime, like I've said, we may have an x as the first term in each one of the two binomials, which will be the factors of this trinomial here, right? And I'm checking the last term. That's a negative one, which means I will have x plus some, x minus some, right? Now to check what could be in each one of the parentheses, I'm looking for factors of negative 3. And obviously one pair could be what? Negative 3 and 1. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Now I will check the middle term here, which is negative 2. And if negative 3 plus 1 equals negative 2, then I'm done. Is that so? Yes, indeed. So the factors of negative 3 and 1, if you add them up, should give you the coefficient of your middle term, which is negative 2 in this case. And this is the answer to the problem, right? The problem of factorization, or factoring this trinomial. I have x plus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0. And now, for this multiplication here to be true, remember the zero product property. If two numbers, a times b gives you 0, then you have either a equals 0 or b equals 0 or both equals 0. Okay, so because of x plus 1 times x minus 3 equals 0, you will have two equations. X plus 1 equals 0 and x minus 3 equals 0, which if you solve will give you the two roots. X1 here, if you take away 1 from both sides, will be negative 1, and the other one, x2, second root, right, will be 3. And this is the solution for the given equation. Which one has these answers? It seems that E has 3 and negative 1, and this is the answer to the problem. Okay, you bubble in on your answer document E, 3 and negative 1, and you move on. Well, this is